Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix the failed to connect Rockstar Games Library Service error in GTA 5.
Restart Rockstar Game Launcher. Step 1. Close GA5 and Rockstar Games Launcher completely. Step 2. Open Task Manager and end all Rockstar-related processes. Step 3. Reopen the Rockstar Games Launcher and launch GTA 5 again. Fix 2. Run Launcher as administrator. Step 1. Right-click the Rockstar Games Launcher icon. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Try launching TTE5 again. Fix 3. Start Rockstar Game Library Service manually. Step 1. Press Windows, R, type Services, MSC, and press Enter. Step 2. Find Rockstar Game Library Service in the list. Step 3. Right-click it, select Properties. Step 4. Set Startup Type to Automatic, then click Start. Apply OK. Fix 4. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Rockstar Games Launcher. Step 2. Go to Settings, My Installed Games, GTA 5. Step 3. Click Verify Integrity to repair missing or corrupted files.